Chicken stir fries make for quick and easy meals on busy days, so today, let's make Panda Express's string bean chicken. We'll make 6 meals that taste just like Panda Express in 30 minutes with this chicken stir fry meal prep. Let's get cooking. Thinly cut 2 pounds of chicken breast. Boneless chicken thighs can also be used. For the marinade, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Xiaoxing Wine, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix it all together. Break 12 ounces of green beans or string beans into 2-inch size pieces. String beans or green beans can be used. For the sauce, measure out 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 crushed garlic cloves. We'll add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cornstarch as well. Slice 1 onion, heat up some oil on a pan set to high heat, toss on our onions, then our beans, dash a little of our sauce as well, and continuously stir. After about 3 to 4 minutes, set this aside and we'll cook our chicken. On a pan set to high heat with oil, add our chicken, allow to fully cook, and then add back our beans, onion, and sauce. We'll give each meal 2 scoops of rice and 2 scoops of string bean chicken. And boom, you have Panda Express's string bean chicken. This was a quick and easy chicken stir fry recipe for busy weeks that has great flavor while also saving money. If you enjoyed this video or recipe and want to see more, be sure to subscribe for the next video and let me know in the comments below what foods you want to see next.